get in there?
I'm trying to. I'll cut it.
And you slide that out?
I've got my package here and I can't slide it.
Oh, you're strong.
Man, Gams takes this good.
She did. You want some help?
No help. Okay, I guess I needed help.
A little bit of help. All right. Let's see what's inside.
Oh. It's fixed, Mommy.
It's chicken!
Look,
What else is in there? Oh, that's Mommy's. Put that down.
Okay.
What is that? What's in there? Uh-huh.
Sparkling shoes.
What do you think about those?
I like them.
Yeah?
This one can sparkle.
I think they sparkle when you...
Cruz. Oh.
What do you say to Gams?
Thank you.
Look at the camera. What do you say?
Thank you, Gams.